Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps said that it has shot down US MQN surveillance drone. It also claimed it fired at a US fighter jet that entered Iranian airspace. The statement was reported by Iranian state media. The IRGC said it reserves the legitimate and definite right to respond to any ceasefire violations by the United States. It warned of retaliation if attacks continue. The claims come amid rising tensions between Tehran and Washington. Iran said its air defense system detected and destroyed the US drone after it entered its airspace. It did not provide exact location details. It also said a fighter jet was targeted and forced to withdraw. The United States has not confirmed either claim. The escalation follows US strikes on Iranian military targets. The US said it carried out self-defense strikes on missile sites and boats allegedly laying mines. US Central Command said the operation were meant to protect American forces in the region. A CENTCOM spokesperson said the strikes took place in southern Iran. The statement said US forces acted against threats posed by Iranian forces. No further operational details were given. Reports from Iranian state broadcasters IRIB said explosions were heard near Bandar Abbas. The incident occurred around midnight local time. Authorities said the situation in the port city was stable. Investigations are ongoing. A key issue remains the Strait of Hormuz. Iran had earlier moved to restrict movement through the waterway. The US and its allies oppose any such control. The strait is vital for global oil shipments. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio said negotiations may take several days. He said both sides are still discussing the language of a draft agreement. President Donald Trump said talks were progressing. He also warned of further strikes if diplomacy fails. Washington says Iran's nuclear program is a major security threat. It accuses Tehran of attempting to develop nuclear weapons capability. Iran denies this and says its program is peaceful. The situation remains highly tense. Both sides are reporting military action and counteraction. Diplomatic efforts are continuing, but trust remains low. Analysts say the risk of further escalation remains high in the coming days. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.